Yes, I started early. I started earlier because I also have to leave a little bit earlier. So here we are. Here we are. All right. What is happening? Excuse me. What is happening? I took a trade before the stream on the where is it? This one. I took a long position on NQ. 10 days enough. Took a long position on NQ based on the 5-minute chart. Looking for a fair value gap a little bit higher. And basically that's it. Hey, Ludafish Savage. What's going on? I started a bit earlier, so because I have to end the stream earlier during the silver bullet hour. But nevertheless, I'll still be here. So that's the area that I'm still looking at. And there is sort of like an inversion gap happening down here, which is so far holding, but the problem may not hold for so long. But I thought that we're gonna get back to that midnight area up there at 638. Debating trade first or run my snowblower first. Yeah, get done with trading. Get done with trading first. All right. Let's see what it's gonna be. And I'm out of coffee since the London session. No more coffee. I have to charge my phone as well. Come on, phone. Charge. Okay. Nice. Bowser! Yo, what's up? What's going on? So, I entered to this position earlier. Not really looking for too much here. Actually, I'm risking about $70 or something. 80. And I'm looking to go back to the mid-level here, midnight area. But I'm afraid that we can also continue to drop lower. I was trying to anticipate that we might move back to this 1 hour fair value gap up there. But it might not gonna happen that fast. I don't really like price action right now. And also, yeah, we just had an inversion gap on the 3-minute on gold. And we might go higher on gold too. Quite interesting. Anyway. How far can this one go? I'm actually looking for gold to maybe make new highs, but still not sure of what it wants to do. Maybe one to two risk to reward. I'm measuring this distance here, but 8106. 816, sorry. That's not too far. Anyway, my NQ trade is not looking that good. That's for sure. So yeah, that being said, maybe gold will push higher, but I also don't have anything there. To go with. Okay, let's go back to NQ and see what's going on. I think I'm gonna get taken out from this trade. Unfortunately, it might gonna make a new low, which is okay. But if it does, where are we going? Where could be the draw on liquidity? Maybe taking out the 72, I guess. That could be the only area that I see logical. If there is any logic at all in these markets. But yeah, that's it. That is it. Gold is not able to push it higher. Michael, hey, early, yeah, it's a little bit early because I'm gonna close the stream early as well. But yeah, 21.550 fib level from Fridays. Yeah, that could also go there. And we have the mid level of the 1 hour BC down there, so I might gonna close my trade actually. Yeah, unfortunately. See the 6:35 minute bearish paragraph. I think that's stopping. Yeah, the 6:30. Yeah. Exactly. Anyway, I think this is gonna get me out from this trade. Unfortunate, but what can I say? Moving on to the next one. I really thought that we're gonna go and revisit that midnight level before the market open, but it's not happening. Also, gold is struggling a little bit here. NQ just feels heavy, just like gold. Gold feels like it wants to go. I mean down. But nothing more. Farhad, hey there. Welcome. Started early, a little bit. I know, I started early. So currently this is all I'm watching at. Almost out from the trade on NQ. Five points above my stop. Most likely is going to take me out. Still holding 55 5-minute bullish period. That's true. That is true. You know, anything can happen, even a miracle. When it comes to trading, NQ can do lots of weird things. All right. Okay, so let me check something real quick. Okay, nothing. Okay, I was just checking some orders. Do I have any other open orders? Nothing. So yeah, I was hoping that it will go higher and try to reprice that 5-minute gap around midnight. I'm gonna show you guys right here. So I was aiming for this one. Let me give it a different color. So I was looking for that level, especially after, you know, poking into this gap again. I know it has been already repriced, but if you look at the 1 hour, I thought that, you know, the fair value gap actually starts right there. And, you know, why not go up, you know, take some orders up there and then continue to fall. But it's not doing it currently, so what can we do? Actually, I had a bigger stop loss here, but I tightened it up. So my stop loss was a little bit down below, like 5 points, around 602 originally. But after the second attempt and this fair value gap, I thought that I'm just gonna pull my stop a little bit higher. But the idea is still would be the same. Oh, look at that. It's just not going for it. It's just not going. It's not. I don't know why. I don't know why. Anyway, we move on to the next one, right? This inversion gap actually turned out to be quite an important level. So it seems like it's causing us some trouble. Last resort is this gap below that can actually provide some sort of support, I guess. I'm going to give a different color to it. Like this one though. Oh. So it depends. Definitely interesting. Hey Akram, what's up? Yeah, I started early because I have to cut the stream early as well. I might gonna have to cut it around 10:30 or 10:45 a.m. I'm visiting my mother at the hospital, so I'm leaving a little bit earlier. So I thought, because I had some free time, why not go on and just show you guys what's happening. I entered the trade anyways, so you know. Ryan. Oh, Ryan, I didn't forget about you. I found a place that could be working out. I sent them an email in Hungarian, so I did not forget about you over the weekend. Today they have not replied, but I'm gonna call them on the phone. So I definitely did not forget about your request. I'm gonna call them if at least tomorrow in the morning in my time, and hopefully they will have an email back to me as well. So I'm gonna be getting back to you 100%. So not forgetting. Actually, I wrote it down to myself somewhere. I have so many notes. I just wrote down, don't forget about Ryan. Anyway, I have it here. She will be okay, hopefully. She just texted me that the doctor's finished with some tests, and so far she's doing good with the treatment, and that's it. So what's happening here? What is happening here? I feel like gold is gonna make some new high on futures. I think 26.85, would be a possible target. So we'll see. And we're just going sideways. Do we have any news? I mean, obviously nothing, but yeah, nothing. Nothing on financial juice as well. Vigilance is needed among German finance minister, blah blah blah, yada yada. Nothing. Nothing is going on. Looks like, yeah, I'm looking at gold too, and I feel like this one couldn't go lower yet. This is not a trade. I was just eyeballing it. And we still have a buy side level. I mean, it nicely took out these levels, and these levels here, the 26.78 and the 82. It's just going sideways. I feel like 86.5 is next, and it's accumulating positions. If I go down to the 3-minute, there was actually an inversion here, which could be indicating that price might want to, you know, go. Price might want to go higher, which it did, because actually when this wick tapped into the inversion, it shot higher. But still, the main thing is that we are inside of a range on gold, and I'm just gonna have to wait. Waiting for 9:30, yeah. I mean, we should be seeing a bit of a volume coming in about less than 4 minutes, and also at the macro in 24 minutes. But yeah, I really wanted to see this level up there being repriced, the 37. My TP is 36.75. So that's it basically. I mean, I'm not forcing anything else, and I'm also sitting in this consolidation since a while, but I'm just hoping that I will get some positive liquidity here. Come on, NQ. Please do this for the stream. For the stream, please. Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Anyway, 1 minute 30 seconds. No. I was thinking about it, you know, just for fun. Basically, I don't have high hopes for trading Bitcoin futures. I was actually thinking to trade it on Bybit, but I don't know if I should or is it worth it. And yeah, most likely it would be good to trade it on a prop firm, but I'm focusing on NQ and gold. So picking up Bitcoin. So as I said, for me, Bitcoin would be only for practicing and for fun at the first case, you know. But I don't know. I was thinking about trading Bitcoin over the weekend, but someone said, maybe it was you, but someone said, do not trade Bitcoin on the weekend because it just sucks. And so I don't know. I don't know who said it, but somebody told me do not trade Bitcoin on the weekend because it's just terrible. Obviously, during the weekdays we have more volume because of bigger players, but still not sure. Oh, I can make this line disappear. Wow, I didn't even know it. Okay. Okay. Wow. Interesting. All right. New 30-minute candle, new 5-minute candle, new 15-minute candle. So far I don't see anything special happening. 15-minute chart looks pretty much barcoded out. And yeah, that's it. Unfortunately, my position is melting down a little bit. You know, trading on the 5-minute time frame or higher definitely evolves the situation that I have to sit through like hours for one single trade. Yeah. So I might have to sit here for hours and hours for one trade to go to profit or loss. Okay, look at that gold. Interesting though that gold spiked down into that 3-minute inversion gap and spiking higher again. It's gonna take, I think it wants to go for that 86.5. Look at this go. Wow. Interesting. And my NQ trade is just going to the dumpster. What a shame. Well, can't win them all, right? So after this, what's it gonna be? Oh no. Oh no, it's gonna wipe me out. What a shame. Well, I tried. I tried. Top of the range. Yeah, it's not F97. Look at that. Boom. It was a nice entry, inversion entry on the 3 minute. I didn't take it, but feels like now it wants to go for the 86 right there. 86.4, I guess. Excuse me. So 86.4. Or 0.3. Who knows? Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. For now, it seems like it's going, but oh man, it feels so bad that this NQ trade actually going to the dumpster. Oh well. But I had no entry on gold. No, I had no entry on gold. Okay, so if this goes down, I think there's a good sell side target at 573, but might have to wait for the market open to confirm. For a little while, it was looking okay. It was in somewhat good profit, but it turned around. Just a few points, 5 points more, and I'm out. I would be extremely surprised if this one would just turn around and go back up there. I would be extremely surprised on that. Wow, surprise, surprise. Look at that. Jacques, hey there. Welcome. Ludafish, target filled. 350. Down to 610. Wow. Okay, forgot that. Yeah. Sorry. 623. Ah, I know. Nice catch there. Yeah, range. It's typical. I think we have to be prepared for this kind of price action for the next upcoming weeks. But I mean, there still should be a certain move in every kill zone that we can catch, especially if we stay on a little bit higher time frame. That's why I'm looking at the 5-minute, the 3-minute now, also the 15-minute too. I figured why it was littering around there, it might just be a target, the triple low. Yeah, it used to do that exactly. Yeah, grab a fourth just cause. Yeah, exactly. Till Donald becomes resident. Yeah, maybe all the way until January 20. I would not be surprised on that one too, actually. So I would not be surprised. The only thing here which I'm a little bit afraid of is that I don't like to have open positions at the market open, and if it's just gonna go sideways here, I might going to close it a few minutes before the open. So I mean, this trade has about 40 minutes ish to do hopefully the right thing. Yeah. But we'll see. We'll see. We shall see. If you're looking on a range bar, you got, for example, similar pattern. Oh, really? Yeah, we were talking about the range bars, right, last week. And you don't know what they're doing. I haven't really looked into those too much anytime during my trading career. But I guess there's a strategy to those as well. And algo is adding positions is similar. Okay, I didn't know that. It's good to know. I'm gonna make some coffee for myself and drink something, and I'll be right back, especially at the open. All right. Don't go anywhere. Please push the like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be right back and making some coffee. All right. BRB. You too. I'm here. I ate a mandarin. A mandarin. Or the mandarin. Different types. Bar types. I like tick. Yeah, the tick chart is actually good. I like tick charts too. That's actually good. Right, 55 tick chart. Get to fuzzy. I saw, by the way, a report a few months ago. I think it was on Top Step TV, or I don't know. Where there was a very profitable trader who was trading on the 10 tick chart. 10 tick. Imagine that. It's like super fast. And he was trading on a 10 tick chart. And he was like entering in and out of trades like super fast, like in and out, back and forth. And he said he's taking like 50 to 80 trades a session. I don't know how is that possible even, but anyway. Dan, what's up? I use the very low time frame charts by using Fibonacci harmonics. That's cool. That's cool. Fibonacci. I have to look into those again. Wow, sirs. I agree that he should be on the floor pinch instead of thick chart. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, this is not ideal. I agree. Relax back in 2017. I think there's always something like this happening around Christmas holidays, no? I mean, usually this happens. Hey, good morning, Donovan. What's going on? Good to see you. The all-time high price action is particular. Yeah. So we're at all-time highs. Obviously, I mean, I'm not looking for too much here. The only thing I'm looking for is just to tap into the 1 hour fair value gap up there. That's it. But it seems like it's having a hard time doing that right now. And that's all I want. Because we have a 5-minute gap as well up there. But I'm not going to add more to this position. Oh, come on. Don't do this with me. Oh. Oh, man. Swept the highs, and now it's going down. Macro is kicking in, by the way, so maybe that could be the reason. Footprint chart. You also contract balances per price action that have true volume balance ratio per price. Well, however it is working, I think that's just too much. You know, the 10 tick chart. That's insane to trade on that, I think. But anyway, there was a guy on Top Step TV, and he was actually paid out with some good money, and that's what he said. Anyway. It was so close, just a few points away. Just a few points away. Yeah, there's one jitter coming at you with sure blow back your home. I'm sure about that. Yeah, I'm 100% sure about that. Gotta be careful, you know. But anyway, segue. Um, we are here in the macro. It's not doing anything special yet. Sam, welcome back. Yeah, I started earlier, Sam. I do have to say I have to leave earlier during the silver bullet hours, so I might only be able to stay around 10:30 ish. Um, if there's a setup plays out until then, I might just take it and leave the computer, but I'm gonna close the stream. I'm visiting my mother at the hospital, so I'm finishing up earlier, but you know I'll be here for another 1 hour and 37 minutes or so, something like that. So at least we will see the open, and maybe I will catch a setup. Maybe. This is slow, yeah. Yeah, Lunafish, it is slow. Run my sunblower. Why can I see the trader? What's the law? Oh, yeah. I like this new time. Works for you? Well, nothing special. I mean, I sometimes I think about starting earlier when I have some extra time. So start about 7 or 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Maybe I could do that if I don't have anything else to do during the day in my time. So yeah. Ba-da-ba-ba. Just going sideways. Yeah, thank you so much. Uh, thank you. I hope so too. She sent me a text message that the doctors were saying that uh, she her blood is getting better through the treatment. So, but still no result from the biopsy. But hopefully it will be okay. Thank you. Thank you. Hey Zoltan, good morning. Buying dip plane today? Open price, open range, be patient. Yeah, have to be careful. But we'll see what the new hour will brings us or bring us. Mm. Just a second. Oops, sorry. I'm just clicking all over the place here. Sitting on your long from 6:13 for like 2 hours. I entered sometime around after 7 a.m. So yeah, I'm also sitting like for almost 2 hours in this position. Almost 2 hours. Perfect pay for 6 points. Yeah, 6 point scalpers. Exactly. Exactly. Come on, maybe the new hour will bring us something. Gold looking great. Yeah, let me look at gold. Look at that. We talked about this level, 86.6. Now it's done. Done and done. So what is higher? We have another high, and you know what? I think it's just gonna keep on going higher to 2700s. Should be breaking this level. Actually, yeah, it should be breaking higher to the 90s. Unfortunately, I don't have entry at this point. But maybe next time. And I am going to turn on the lights. The streamer lamp. Okay, a little bit better. Now I'm glowing. I know. I know. Oh my god, what a price action here. Oh, the new hour didn't even do anything yet. I might going to close this a few minutes before the open if it's just gonna go sideways. I don't think I want to hold on to this, but looks like it's gonna take care of its own. The disco ball. I should have a disco ball, by the way. That's a good idea. Maybe I should have a disco ball. Nice mug. It was my grandmother's mug, actually. I inherited it. So I like coffee mugs, by the way, and maybe I will do some merchandise, you know, for the stream. What's on the mug? It's this mug is from the 60s, you know, the 1960s. So I don't know, some buildings and some flowers, and there's a building right there, or a house. Flowers and some more. There's another house right there, and that's it. Yeah, this coffee mug is from the 60s or something. Yeah. But I have some modern coffee mugs too. So I'm gonna yeah. Yeah, anyway, I like coffee mugs, so I already have a special one. So get ready. We might gonna do some coffee mug giveaways in the future instead of money. The problem is it might gonna break during the shipping process, but we'll do something about it. Oh no, I'm gonna get taken out, it looks like. What a move from gold. Exceptional move. Small fair value gap here on gold. Oh, you guys don't see it. There's a small gap down there. Oh man. What's it gonna be? I don't know what's it gonna be. I was really hoping that it was going to reach that fair value gap higher, but it feels like it's getting weaker and weaker, and it's just gonna take the elevator down before going up there. Maybe it's gonna come back later during the PM session. Who knows? What is going on with this? This one just at this point I don't even know what to say. A part of me just wants to get out from this trade, even with the loss. So I might get what I wish for. Yeah, buy another contract. No way. No way. Actually, I'm gonna give this trade like another 14 minutes if it's not gonna take my stop. And then I'm gonna close it manually. That was going well. Let me check. Oh yeah, it's grinding higher. Oh man. Okay, gold is down in that 5-minute gap that we were talking about. Actually right there. Small gap. And there is one more buy side left up there at 26.90. I'm not gonna jump in here. I'm just not sure. What if it wants to go back down below 26.82? I feel like that could be a little bit risky. So I'm already sitting in this NQ trade. Technically almost for 2 hours now. So not that I care about it too much, because I'm risking about 80, no, 60 or $70 on this one. 70-ish something. So it's okay. But it's just frustrating to see this kind of price action. Even on the 5-minute, I thought that we're gonna see something more, something better. Alright, I think this is it. One more spike down below 607 and I'm out. Of course, it wants to go lower, of course, like it always does. A part of me is telling me that I should close it now with the loss, with a small loss, and just move on. But I don't know. Just gonna keep it for now. Wow, look at gold. I said I don't want to enter because look at it. It picked up liquidity and moving up there to 26.90. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but no FOMO on this one. Actually, here's buy side liquidity right there. Yeah. So gold picked up orders and going higher. What a bummer. Well, what can we do? It's pulling back. You may be able to. It's pulling back again now. The downside. Let me check. No, I don't want to get back in here. Actually, I don't want to get back in. Maybe something will happen after 10 a.m. to be able to catch a move, but for now, I'm just gonna wait for it. I'm just gonna wait for it. If it goes, I mean, if gold breaks that level, and I think it has to break it. Then if we look to the left, we have this beautiful swing high up there. That's what I would be looking at right there. 27.15-ish area, which is technically almost a bearish order block on the hourly. Yeah. So look at that. Now it's going for it. And my NQ trade is finally giving up its last breath. A little bit annoying that it took so much time for NQ to like, it was just going sideways. And anyway, I should have expected that there's going to be a squeeze down again after all this consolidation, but you know, the only thing I did is that I tightened up my stop, so I don't care about that. But you know, what can we do? If it goes to my TP, I'm going to do a giveaway. Okay? You guys didn't hear that, right? Okay, nice. Nobody heard that. Thank God. What an awful price action. Hey Yonix, what's going on? How are you on this beautiful day? Beautiful Monday. $9.30 will be wild. Oh yeah. No, I mean, I hope not like it's just gonna, you know, take me out instantly. But who cares? You lost 850 on your 250 Apex. The 250k Apex account, you lost 850. That's not a bad. That's not bad. Don't worry about it. It's fine. It's fine. You can make it back. Super easy. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Oh, I have to update the Tradeify banner here. Whoa, look at this. Done. Okay. You have 10,000 on you. Okay, that's so it's fine. You know, 850 is not a big deal for that. And congratulations if you're in profit with 10K. But you know, you're absolutely in a good area. So what's it gonna be, I wonder? Is this going to hit my TP or what? I'm still trying to be optimistic. So, yeah. I still don't know what to do. Should I close the trade or should I just leave it until the open? I haven't decided yet. Yeah, red so far, it looks like it, but you know, it's not over until it's not over. So we've seen quite a few examples when it turned around just one tick or two ticks before my TP. So, but definitely there is liquidity up there, and I just don't know if the market wants to reach for that or not. But no, not this one. As you can see, I am copy trading this. So yeah, this has been copy traded between three funded accounts. Not a big deal because it's a small position, like 4 micros, so I'm not gonna cry about it or anything. But it would be great to make about $100 on it, 110 or 20. Oh, you heard that? You heard something, Red? Oh, damn it. Okay. Did I say something about that? Damn. Actually, I can delete your message there. Oh, come on. Just give me this TP. Come on. Oh, come on. NQ. You're tearing me apart, Lisa. Come on. You guys didn't see that movie, right? Worst movie of all time, The Room. You're tearing me apart, Lisa. Hey, Paul. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What's going on? Good to see you, Paul. Oh man, I don't know what's it doing. Look at this. I don't like this price action. Oh no. New 5-minute candle starts in 4 seconds. It's not good. I don't like it. And there you go. Yeah, as expected. It was too easy. You know, I mean, I was too much confident that it will go to the TP. I have to make a decision. I have to make a decision. Should I close it or should I just let it open? You know, I don't know. I have to make a decision here. Markets are about to open up. I mean, the market is about to open, so I don't know what to do. I'm a little bit confused about this, so I don't know. Should I leave it? Actually, my risk is very small, so I can just leave it. You know, small risk. Come on, NQ. Let's just go up there, please. I really like to see this go up there. Yeah, maybe. I don't like to leave positions open at the market open, but I usually never do this. Especially not on NQ. Maybe sometimes on gold. But what is gold do? Oh, gold took the high. Okay. Nope. It's not looking good. Should have closed it, right? Too late now. Too late. Time for YOLO. No way, I'm not YOLOing this. I am just not gonna YOLO. Yeah, it was too easy, right? At least it seems so easy that it will go there. Anyway, it was a good run. It was a good run. Markets are about to open. 5 seconds. And it's done. Yeah. That's it. And we're out, officially. Officially out. It was looking good, but eventually it didn't turn out good. A quick reminder to always close the trades before the market open. It is what it is. Okay, looks like it wants to go down to this 1 hour BC mid-level. Sell side at 72. I don't know. Feels a little bit it could be risky, not sure, to take that sell side. Not really sure if it wants to go for it, but it's at 72, so anything can happen, I guess. Swept the lows. Now it might go back up there, you know. Up to the 30, what was that level? 36.75 was my original TP there. Yeah, it did. Well, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. That was quick, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it came back. So I think, guys, that we all can agree that I did have the moral victory on that one, right? So just give me that. Like, I had the moral victory on that trade. Eventually, the level that I was eyeballing since more than 2 hours, this 36.75 level, that was also, I mean, that was the drawn liquidity, but first it took out everyone down there. Should have known this is gonna happen. It is what it is. What can we do? This is part of trading. It's part of trading. Uh, gold went higher. What's it doing? I think it's gonna continue grinding higher. All right, let's go back to NQ and see what's going on. Okay, so the 5-minute actually took out everyone. It took liquidity from up there, down there. What's it gonna be? There's one more level up there, which I highlighted at 56, which is a 3-minute fair value gap in a quite interesting position. I'm not saying we're going there, but knowing that we swept the midnight level again, I feel more sell side coming in. So I'll be watching for the 72-ish area for another possible sell, maybe. Okay, so let's see. Feels like it wants to go, but I'm not quite sure. Not sure if it wants to go down to 72 there. But haven't even checked on the 1 minute. There's a small reprice action here. Not too much is happening. So just gotta be patient. That's all. Maybe the sell-off will continue, but for now, I don't see anything else going on. We have the 1 hour fair value gap higher, and the 930 lows down there. So yeah, that's all. That's all we have. Picked up liquidity on a 1 minute gap. Feels like it might want to squeeze higher here. Not quite sure. 15-minute looks like a doji. And nothing else. Nothing else so far. Five-minute is not showing anything. The 3-minute is not showing anything. I'm also checking the 1-minute, but there's nothing special. I continue to squeeze up to the 40s. 15 minutes still shows like a doji. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Ludafish. I'll be watching. Yeah, last fair value gap before the open activated. Exactly. So we'll see. It kind of turned into a bit of an inversion gap here. So I don't know. It's hard to decide. I'm watching the 1-minute now, but only to see what goes on. It's hard to decide. It could be a push, you know, to the upside maybe. You know, going into the 40s here. I can definitely imagine that. But what was the high here? The high was on the micro, it was 42.25. I don't know. Is it gonna squeeze everybody? That's the question. Or not. 1 minute. Well, Akram, we'll see. For now, I'm just curious if it wants to do a short squeeze or just gonna leave everything as it is. The 1 minute has been repriced, so that could be a sign for the bears. I imagine there could be some stops above, which one is 42. But let's wait for it. Let's see what it wants. One more little push here. I don't know. I don't know what's the play here. Five-minute high is 42.25. I don't know. We have the macro in about 7 minutes. So we'll see. And we have no news. So is this just gonna go sideways again? What's gold doing? Gold is up there, nothing special. NQ slowly pushing it up there. I'm not seeing this one being able to push it through. If it does, then I have that 56 level. That could be the next target. I just don't know if it really wants to go up there. I mean, it could, but this is gonna squeeze the highs here. I think it's at 42.25. I don't know what's the level here on the mini. The high 42.50 on the mini. So I don't know what's it gonna be. Still not pushing it. What do you guys think? Is this gonna push it through, or what's it gonna do? It almost went through. This is interesting. This is interesting. Yeah. Just a second. Sorry, just a quick phone call. So did it push through? I don't think it did. So 42 stayed here, and it just stayed like that. Now it's gonna push through. Look at that. Now it's pushing through. So what we did here, swipe both sell side and buy side. And now there you go. Here's the push. Here's the push. And we're going to new week opening gap high. And I had that 56 level earlier. Excuse me. And that's a 3-minute fair value gap here. I think it could be heading that way, but I'm not sure about that. If it wants to go lower, I think this would be the turning point in price right here. If not, I don't know anything at this. Like this right now looks like a bullish breaker. So definitely looks like a bullish breaker. Let me look at gold quickly. Yeah, gold is just skyrocketing here. There's no way I'm gonna catch this move on gold. And yeah, there's no way I'm gonna catch that. This 5-minute candle is gonna close. Let me see the fib tool here. It would be awesome to take a trade based on this small fair value gap here. I might put a limit order right there. Limit order right there. One to two risk to reward. 2 micros starting at 22.75. Okay, I put a limit order at 22.75. My stop would be 97. Yeah, 97. And my take profit would be 71.75. Can I go for it? I guess I can. Okay, so if it takes my position, I'm in. My limit entry is at 22.75. What's the low here? I'm still not in. 22.75. I'm still okay. Now I'm in the position. I'm in the long position. Show you. There you go. Here's my trade. I'm risking only $100 on this one, nothing special. It might be a bit of a stretch. But you know what? Oh man, I don't know. Was it a good call? We'll see. I don't know. I don't know if it was a good call, but going long here is absolutely risky. And now I'm in the drawdown. No, not yet. 71.75. 71.75. 65. You know, if it wants to reprice that 1 hour gap, I'm still good for it. 71. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this for now. And this trade is based on the 5-minute, using this small gap as entry. And okay, so this is what I'm looking for here. Let's see what it does. The thing is, I don't know what it's gonna do. I mean, the stop is 03 206. Yeah, the risk reward is somewhat okay. Hey Mohammed, good to see you. I'm okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Doing okay. Long time no see. Yeah. What's up with you, Mohammed? How's trading going nowadays? Hope you're doing good. 672 is in play for sure. Yeah, let's hope. Let's hope. It's still not the best setup here, but I kind of take it as a bullish breaker to reprice higher. So trading not going good, being very busy with studies. Well, studying is, you know, just as important, if not more important, you know. Don't worry about it. But it's good to see you here. So as I told you guys, today's stream is gonna be a little shorter because I have to leave earlier. Look at this trade. It was looking so good. It's just not doing its thing. Alpaca Bowl. Hey, thank you. The entry could be okay, but the outcome is not so much, unfortunately. It feels like, look at that. NQ just wants to keep on pushing price lower. But anyway, I thought that this one wants to reprice the 1 hour structure, and that was I was hoping for. Do you view your entry as a fair value gap or something? Well, depends on the structure. For example here, let me go to TradingView. For example here, this is a bullish breaker. Inside the bullish breaker, we have 50%-ish level somewhere here. And so I thought that I'm going to use this small fair value gap as my entry. So, and now it's just going lower. So, I could say that, yeah, I entered on the fair value gap, but right now we reached the 50% level, which is still good. But I really don't want to see this go lower than 600. If it goes below 600, then it's not good. That's why my stop is down at 97. Sorry, at 97. So yeah, it was a fair value gap entry, but based on the breaker and based on the fact that we still have a fair value gap and an hourly fair value gap higher to be repriced, but seems like market is just gonna push it lower. It could be taking out the lows again. But what can I do, right? It is what it is. And for now, it seems like it might want to go back down to the 600s. I don't like the way these candles are printing. Look at this. I just don't like it. It just feels heavy right now. I know that this is a bullish breaker, but so far it still feels heavy. It just doesn't want to go through as it should. Maybe my stop is too tight a little bit, but I think if it goes below the 600, then it just wants to make a new low, so that's why I put my stop there. Let me delete this flip tool here. And let's watch together what it wants to do. I have this level at 56, which is a 3-minute fair value gap. I outlined it during the London session. I did like that level. And I don't know what happened here at 4 a.m. Something happened there. I think on the there was a 3-minute short entry. So anyway, well, it's not looking good. It's just not looking good. I don't know what to do. A little bit confused. I'm also thinking to close it up if it's not gonna move anyway. Royce, hey there. See, it's just not moving. Feels heavier. Like it wants to go for that 73 area down there. Yeah. The bulls are not coming into the picture right now. Sellers are pushing it, holding it down. Hey, Iron Boyder, what's up? What's up? Just a second, I'll be right back. I'm here. I'm sorry. Okay, so this trade is not looking that good, unfortunately, and I don't know what to do with it. Well, so far the day was okay-ish. In the London session, I had some good trades on different accounts, but so far, and I'm in profit on the Apex funded accounts. This trade is on a Bulenox funded account, and as you can see, I'm not doing so good with it. It feels like it wants to go down to sell side to take out the 72.75. Actually, I'm going to put a line there. 72.75 or 73. That's what I'm afraid of. It was a bullish breaker here, and I thought we're going to reprice the 1 hour higher, but it's just not doing it. At least not now. So I'm a little bit confused about this, but overall today I made some profit, but this Bulenox account currently is not looking that good. I feel like that small fair value gap is not going to hold for too long on the 5-minute. Not the best price action, at least not the one I like. A part of me actually would like to close this trade down as it is, because I have a feeling that this is just going to happen all the way throughout the hour. So I'm not really a huge fan of this. Tomorrow morning you will. Yeah, I don't think you missed anything, because there was a nice move in London that was okay, but so far look at this. It's just absolutely nonsense. And it's definitely crazy action right here. I am actually considering to close this trade. I don't know what to do. Not the kind of price action I like. Of course it's gonna go down. I'm just going to put a line to 73 down there. Oh man. It looks like it's ready to take the elevator, unfortunately for me. What's happening on gold? Gold is going for 2700. Darn it. Yeah, this one's going to the dumpster. It seems like it. I'm still in it, but ready to close it. Ready to close it. Inverted that gap. Huh. I don't know what's it doing. Not much. Maybe everybody wants to go short, and there will be a squeeze. That's all I can think of right now. Yeah, it's going down. It's gonna go below the 600 there, and that's not good. Russell is trending up. VIX one day. Oh, well, let's just say it's not ideal conditions. My trade is about to hit the stop loss, so not ideal at all. Yeah, the 600 is going to give in real soon. Almost at my stop. Almost at my stop now. What can I do? It is what it is. And 573 could be maybe a target. This was based on the 5-minute bullish breaker. It seems like it's not going to turn out as I wanted it to be. I really wanted to see this reprice the 1 hour gap up there. Yeah. Yeah, Zoltan. Well, almost out. I'm not gonna move my stop because it goes below the 90s. It's definitely just gonna drop, gonna go down with the elevator. But buyers are not stepping in as much as I would like them to be here. So actually considering to close it at break even. No, it's not doing it. What the hell is going on here? Hey, motherfucker. What up? How you doing? Good to see you. What's going on? You're about to fly out soon. Nice. Where are you flying? Where are you going? How do people do assignments so boring and pointless? Depends on what you mean by that. Well, it was a nice run, NQ, but I think it's time to take the stop here. Uh, 15 minutes looks shit. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah, this whole thing just looks awful. Come on. Do something, NQ. Something good. Not bad, something good for me. Or anyone. For the shorts maybe, right? What a trade. Oh, it seems like Bulenox has a sale going on for the 25k accounts. For like $15, you can use the code tomsabo25 for the 25k account. Option 1 only. Do you make income from YouTube yet? How hard is it? Well, my YouTube income is about $200 per month because I'm not doing. I mean, so if I would be doing more vlogs and more educational videos, I guess, then I would be making more. But since I'm only streaming, I make less. So my monthly average YouTube income is about $200 or $300 per month from ad revenue. I mean, yeah, for just streaming, I'm just getting on here and continue to stream. It's absolutely a good money just to sit at the computer and stream. There you go. Stop has been taken. So I consider it as a good money, obviously. So I'm okay with it. So yeah. I think it's definitely a good thing. Maybe if I would do more videos, obviously I could make more, and I'm planning to do that. But we'll see. All right, so what's this gonna do right now? Is this gonna take out the low there, or just gonna pop higher, or what's the plan on NQ right now? Oh, really? You got an ad? I'm not pushing the ads. It's YouTube doing it automatically. Anytime testing zone. Anyway, guys, I told you guys I have to do a short stream today, and I have to leave you guys right now. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm visiting my mother at the hospital, so I'm gonna be back tomorrow in London session. Thank you so much for watching. Unfortunately, this breaker didn't turn out well, but it's okay. I'll be back tomorrow, and thank you for the support and everything. If you would like to support, of course, use my codes and links, except for Tradeify. I don't have a custom code, but if you click on my link, use the code SNOW for the current December promotion. That gives some credit. Thank you so much, everybody, and have a great day, evening, morning, and I see you guys tomorrow in London. All right, take care, be safe. Cheers, everyone.